Yo guys! So this is the Galaxy S9 Plus, and let's do a quick unboxing and look at this device and see just how cool it is. Okay, so when we take this out of the box, as usual, we have the quick guide, quick start, for anyone who wants to read that, and a SIM card remover, which is good. The S9 Plus itself, let's try taking this out. Oh, we're just gonna kind of throw this out. The S9 Plus. Then we also have the USB-C to micro USB connector, which is cool. The adaptive charger, and of course cables and a nice pair of earbuds. And they also gave us some replacement earbuds too. So that's what you get in a box. This is pretty typical what you get in a normal box for a Samsung device. This is really not too different from the Galaxy S8 or even the Galaxy Note 8. Looking at my Note, it looks pretty much almost identical. So one immediate thing that we noticed is on the back, they did move the fingerprint reader to the bottom instead of on the side. So I think that should be a little bit easier to grab. It feels a little bit easier. See, I'm so used to it being in the top left, I feel like I'm gonna have to adjust to it being below. And as you see, we have the dual camera setup again with that variable aperture camera, which is very cool. Okay, so if you're new to Samsung devices, you know that we have this edge-to-edge display, which looks really good. The device itself does not feel too heavy. This is 6.2 inches. It feels large, but then again, I'm coming from a Note, so, you know, I'm kind of used to the large size. This is definitely not as easy to reach the corner as it is on a normal Galaxy S9. So just keep that in mind, but you are getting a larger battery with the Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's go and turn this on. Alright, so I quickly ran through the setup, so here we are in the Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's just go here, about phone. And it is on. They definitely changed around the settings a little bit. Let's go to software information. We are on Android 8.0 with the Samsung Experience version 9, which is really cool. And here are the apps that you have installed by default. So we do get the Facebook app installed. The Samsung apps, as usual, are installed. And there are these couple of Google apps. And that's basically it. So guys, this has been a quick unboxing of the Galaxy S9 Plus. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go and hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for another galvanizing video. Thanks.